We have two different ways to update the iPhone's iOS. One is via Wi-Fi and the other is via iTunes. However, some users reported that they could not use iTunes to update the iOS version. Well, this video will tell you 3 different ways of how to update iPhone without iTunes. Method 1. How to update iPhone without iTunes over the air. Open Settings, General, Software Update. Tap Download and Install. When available, select Install Now and enter passcode. Agree to terms. iOS download begins. Method 2. How to update iOS without iTunes using IPSA Downloader. Visit ipsw.me on browser and download latest IPSA. Connect iPhone to computer using USB. Run iTunes app. On Windows, Shift plus Update button. On Mac, Option plus Update button. Select downloaded IPSA file and apply via iTunes. Method 3. How to install iOS without iTunes using iOS System Recovery. You can also use a third-party tool to update your iPhone software without iTunes. iOS System Recovery is one such tool that allows you to update your iPhone to the latest iOS and even help you fix overall iOS system errors.